Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we talk about like a 5 minutes English speaking challenge. Because of the most of the beginner or the most of the learner they are struggling to speak English. So I will take the challenges for speaking the English because of I have some confidence to build the conversation with the some of the stranger or the some people. What I missed up some of them, I am the frustrated or I am overthinking some of the time. So that is the reason I can't build the confidence. So whatever it is fine. So I am giving my best. So it is a simply I will share about my one of the interview experience. So I have the well prepared for that interview. So during that interview, the interviewer asking my the introduce yourself or what you have done in your projects or what you do your during the college they are asking me. So I will the answer about that clearly, but I am the rushing the word, so that is the reason I can't the clearly explain. I will explain the all of the sentence, all of the my thoughts and clearly. It is my I am thinking. So after that review, the interviewer I am asking some of the feedback. They will be they said to me like, yeah, you will the given the well interview, but some of them you are the struggling to the speaking. What is the mean? You have some confidence, so that is the reason you were speaking the fluently, but it is a you were some frustrated under the low confidence. So they will be said to me. So after that I decided, so yeah, I have the technical skill, I have some the working on the project skills or the like that way, but I haven't the confidence. So that's the reason I am thinking, yeah, so first of all I build here the confidence. So that is the reason I am making myself video and post on the YouTube. It is useful for me my documentation level, and also some of the new beginner or the new learners they will be watching my videos, they will be might be helpful. So that is the reason I am making myself and post on this video for the YouTube. So the some of them there are the learners, yeah, even me also the fear about the mistake, because of the fear about some of the feedback. Why I am said this, I am also asking some people are the what is the feedback for I made a mistake or something like that way. I am asking, they will be share, but I hear about that. So yeah, it is not they will be said wrong. So I am thinking on that. So after that, I realized that so many people are there are like that way they are said to me. So after that, I realized, yeah, we are doing the wrong. So we are doing our best. So I after that I corrected so much of the mistakes. So after that, I while speaking English, I slowly and calmly speak. The every people or the every learners there are the struggling to what is the main reason is, if some people are asking what is the question, you should first of all understand. So that is the main key. Because of even my also so many interview or the so many people I am also speaking that I am eventually speaking the read the fast. So they will be send any messages or they will be any speaking like that way, I fast understanding, I will reply to that. So after that I am thinking, so that is a wrong. So you should first of all understand what is the question they will be asked. So you could understand this, so that is the best example for you will reply for that message or what you do, what you your thoughts that comment or that question. So that is makes helpful. So these are the helpful for me. So I am also developing my communication skill. I can speak, but I haven't to the confidence to speak. So that is the reason I am taking myself my documentation level for these kind of the stuffs. So if you helpful this video or if you the relatable this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So and also if you want to any some other video or if you need I will the talk about anything else, so please let me in the comment section. I will wait for that. I can do my best for making those kind of the video. Okay, thanks for the watching. So we gonna see next video and I will share something. So don't wait for the perfect time, it is a never came. And also don't fear about your mistake. Your mistakes it is a makes helpful for your improve your communication skill. So okay, bye.